Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. There are few easy ways that you could check to find out. The first one is to open up the Snapchat application in your mobile. Go to your little emoji in the top left, and on this page, go over to this my friends, tap on it. This will show you all your friends in alphabetical order, so it's an easy way to scroll through here and find that person. If their name doesn't appear here, there is a good chance that they blocked you. So this is the first place you want to look, is under my friends list in alphabetical order, so you could easily jump around. If you don't see them there, you could simply click find friends here in the top, and you can search for it, their name. The next option is go to Snapchat and just click search in the top left and search for the name of that person in question, and here under add friends, either they are gonna show up here when you check their full username, or they are not. If they are not, they most likely blocked you or deleted their accounts. We are gonna find out which one in a second. But if you see their name, go ahead and press add. If it's add them, or it sends a request to add, you won't get any notification. But if it doesn't let you add them, they probably blocked you. That's another way to find out. After doing a couple of those things, you have a feeling that they blocked you, there is another way to find out if they simply deleted their account. You simply have someone else go ahead and do the search process and follow the exact same steps that you took. If you don't want someone else to do it, go to your profile. Press the settings icon in the top right corner, scroll down all the way to the bottom and log out of your Snapchat. Once you log out, you could simply press sign up and create another account. By doing this, you could search for their Snapchat handle, and if they show up for this icon and not their other account, that just means they blocked you on their other account. You could also have someone else, a friend of yours, do this for you, so you don't have to sign up for another account. But that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.